This is Brushali and you're watching Trusharaj Classes YouTube channel. Each and every one, we have our own dreams. And most of the time, we don't know in what way we can make our dreams to come true. For this, I have explained one magical technique. And that magical technique is nothing but law of attraction. It's the law of universe. What is law of attraction and how it works? I have already explained in my previous video. If you have not yet watched that video, please watch it. Link is given in the description box. Now here, to make this law of attraction to work for us, we have two powerful tools. So in what way we can make it actually work in our life? How to get the miraculous result? So for that, we have to follow two wonderful techniques. Most powerful techniques, wonderful techniques, magical techniques we can see. And these techniques are nothing but affirmations and visualization. So first let's talk about affirmations. So what are these affirmations? As I said, how the law of attraction works, whatever we think, each and every thought goes into the universe and comes back to our life. Means whatever we think is our life. Our life is exactly what we think. So it said, change your thoughts, change your life. So here in affirmations, what we have to do, consciously we have to make some changes. Here we write down the positive statements. And the most important thing here is we write all these statements in present tense. Means whatever is your dream. Now students, their dream is to get good marks, get rank, then later get admission in good college, a good career, later a dream job, a beautiful life, financial security. So all these are our common dreams. So here what we have to do, whatever things we want in our life, we have to frame the sentences accordingly in present tense, as if all these things are already there in life, as if we are already living the life what we expect. We are already living our dream life. So for example, let us talk about students. Now if you expect good marks, so what you have to write? I am intelligent, I am quite confident, I have good memory, my concentration is very good, I score good marks in exam, I always get good rank in my class, my grades are always best, I always solve my paper properly, I always complete my paper in time. So whatever are the required ingredients to complete your dream, all these statements we have to include here. At the end of this video, I'll give some common statements for students especially. You can check that. Apart from that, you can frame your own sentences. But the most important thing is the sentences, they should be in present tense. So as I said, if you write the statement in future tense, the universe will wait. Okay, let's wait for the future and let him give all these things at some other time. And that future never comes. So whatever statements you write, they should be in present tense. So now what to do with these affirmations? Okay, the first thing, write it down on the paper. Then daily, early in the morning and before you sleep, take out that paper and read out those affirmations. If possible, loudly. So loudly means your ears, they should be able to hear your affirmations. Okay, this much loud is quite enough. So read those affirmations morning and at night. Okay, read it. Apart from this, even during the daytime, whenever it is possible, whenever you get few minutes, whenever you can sit quietly at some place for few minutes, read those affirmations. So these affirmations, what they do, consciously they send the message to the universe, yes, this is the result expected in the life of so and so person, and you get what you expect in your life. Now let's talk about the second thing, that is visualization. Now in visualization, what we do, visualize Visualize means, in our childhood, when our grannies and all, they used to tell us fairy tales. We used to visualize everything, isn't it? Do you remember those days? Same thing we have to do here. Same technique we have to apply here. In visualization, what we do, we actually visualize what we expect. We actually visualize our dream. And here, what you have to do, I'll tell you. Here, the most important point we can say, what you have to remember here is, you have to visualize as if your dream is fulfilled. Means you have already achieved everything. Now suppose if you want good marks, if you want best result, then what you have to visualize? You got the paper in your hand. All the questions were very easy. There is a bright smile on your face. Without looking here and there, with confidence, you are writing your paper. And with a smile on your face, you are handing over that paper to the examiner, to the supervisor. At home, when the parents ask you, how was the paper? Oh, it was so nice, wonderful it was. Definitely I will get full marks in this paper. Then later, visualize your report day. See the report card in your hand. See your expected marks. Okay, maths 97, science 99. Whatever marks you expect, you visualize it with confidence. One more thing you can do here is make a vision board. Make a vision board. Vision board, it can be even a piece of cardboard, a piece of card sheet, or even a part of wall can be your vision board. Okay. So vision board means you have to stick the pictures of your dream. Now suppose if you want 95% in your exam, write 95% on the piece of paper, stick it on your vision board. Now whatever marks you expect in this subject, write on the paper, stick it on your vision board. Later, if you want admission in a particular college, write the name of the college. I got admission in this college, or I am studying in this college. Paste it on the vision board. So this vision board always reminds you of your dream. This vision board also, it works wonderfully. Now, when to do this visualization? Again, as I said, affirmations is one way. Even visualization, what you have to do, decide one time during the day. Okay, any free time when you are free from all other nonsense thoughts. That time, what you have to do, select one quiet place or any corner of the room in your house. Sit quietly, close your eyes, and keep your hands like this on your laps. This is always called as receptive position. Even whenever you do meditation, no, always keep your hands like this on your laps. This is the best position. We always receive from the universe when we keep our hands like this. So you have to sit there quietly, close your eyes for 1 minute. Just do deep breathing and slowly start visualizing your dream. Whatever you expect in your life, visualize that as if actually you are living your dream. We have to do visualization in this way. Try these two techniques, affirmations and visualization. I myself tried this technique in my life and I have achieved so many things only because of this law of attraction. Yes, I myself follow these techniques in my life. So please watch this video if possible once again. Watch my previous video, what is law of attraction. If you have any queries regarding this law of attraction, how it works or in what way we should exactly go, please do write your questions in the comment box. I will definitely try my best to answer your queries in my next video. Trust me, these techniques work. Divine power, it always gives us what we expect. So, if you want that even your friends, they should know all these things, please do share this video among your friends, and to get the regular updates of such interesting and useful videos, please do subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.